Hi guys, it's Jetro Cruz. Today I'll show you how to find the wheelchair in GTA San Andreas. I'm using a laptop. You can see it in this this location in Red Country. Post lang. Oh, let's post. Ayusin mo yung pagkuha. Steady lang. Pahiya sa pagkuha. This is the location. This is the wheelchair as you see in that. This is the wheelchair. Oops. This is the wheelchair. Old wheelchair.
May camera ka. Camera ka para makita mo.
Oh, and this, I'm gonna show you how to find the pearl. I found the pearl in GTA San Andreas. Look, this is the pearl. Oh, look, huh? Meets Creek Oyster. Oh, goodbye, guys. See you again